Last month, I pulled 3 all-nighters finishing client renderings before a big pitch. And that's when I knew something had to change in my workflow. Today, I am sharing the solution that saved me countless hours since. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Kritika and I create architectural illustration and teach tools that make your creative life a whole lot easier. I have been using Foyr to streamline everything from layout planning to rendering, and it's honestly made designing so much smoother. In this video, I am putting it on test by creating a sleek minimal office cabin, start to finish. No downloads, no complicated setup. Just open it in your web browser and get to work. Stick around till end. I'll show you how I have started getting help with client projects without having to build a whole team. So, let's jump in. Let's get started by creating a new project. Click on Create Project, name it Office Cabin Design, and then hit Start Now. Now, we are inside Foyr interface. I have already explained the interface in previous video, so if you are new, feel free to check that out first. Before we dive in, let me quickly show you the Foyr Services. Click on Services in the left-hand side panel. Here you can get professional help. So, if you ever need assistance, these services can be super helpful. Now, let's move on to the inspiration section and type in office. You will find wide variety of setups from large-scale office spaces to compact home offices. I really like this setup and this one too. So I will open them, and I love the tree and the table used in this design. I will select the products and add them to my shortlisted folder. Let's open another office setup that caught my eye, this one. I want to customize this space at the top. Click on Add Inspiration to Project and it will add it directly to our drawing area. Once added, you can fully customize the layout, change walls, delete elements, and more. I don't need the default desk, basket, snake plant, or rug, so I will remove them. I really like these shelves and the storage units at the back, especially since I am designing this space for a designer. It will be perfect for sorting magazines and catalogs. Now, I will open my shortlisted folder and add the tree and the table I have saved earlier. You can see how intuitive this interface is. Simply drag and drop. Switching to 3D view, I will rotate the table. Just select it, click on Rotate tool from the toolbar, and adjust the angle and delete the window. Next, I will set the room dimension to 16 feet 10 inches. Just drag the wall and that's it. Now, back to the catalog. Under the tagging, go to the textiles and rugs. There are plenty of options, but I want something minimal, maybe in white or beige tones. I will go with this one, drag and drop it into the scene and resize it from the top toolbar. Back in the catalog, under the living room, I will pick 2 chairs for the discussion area. I will add them to my shortlisted folder. Now, let's add a fixed window. Go to the building elements, windows, and I will pick this one. Drag drop it onto the wall. Switch to the 3D view again. Select the window and use the resize tool to adjust its height. Now the window looks perfect. Then head to the catalog tagging window treatments. You will find options like curtains and blinds. I will go with the sheer and the blackout curtains with white and beige. After placing them, I will resize it to fit the window width and the height. Full-length curtains always elevate the look of any space. Now, back to the shortlisted folder, I will drag in the desk chair and place it. For the discussion area, I will drag in 2 chairs and rotate them using the rotate tool. I don't love the current desk chair, so I will explore more in catalog, office chairs like this one. So I will replace the old one with it and adjust the placement. I will resize the desk and adjust its position along with the chair to keep the setup functional. Let's start adding accessories. From the shortlisted folder, I will add a laptop. In the catalog, under Office Spaces, Accessories, you will find items like pen stand, clocks, etc. I will add a pen stand. Let's add a lamp as well, rotate and place it nicely. Go to the 3D view to see how everything is shaping. It's already looking great. Let me quickly adjust the rug size and reposition the chair, lamp accordingly. Now, let's add a door. Go to the catalog, building elements, doors, and I will place a single door on the bottom left side of the room. For the wall decor, head to wall decor, place a couple of art pieces and place them on the back wall. I'm not a fan of the current pendant light, so I will switch it. Go to 2D view, ceiling plan mode, catalog, lighting, and I will pick this cream white contemporary light. Drop it onto the scene and go back to 3D view. Yes, it gives a nice vibe. Now, let's take the render. Click on Take Render. At the top, you can adjust the camera height. I will set it to around 5 feet. Then tweak the field of view and the camera angle to your liking. Set the aspect ratio, save the view. And from the left side, you can adjust the presets, lighting, and the environment setting. Once ready, click on Take Render, choose 4K and hit Render. The rendering will now start processing. You can also create walkthroughs using Foyr Neo. Click on the walkthrough at the top right corner. Here you will find the option to create a new walkthrough, and along with that, you can see the walkthroughs I have outsourced through Foyr Services. It's such a helpful way to save time, especially for client presentations. Now, on the top left, you have the camera and the lighting settings. In the center, there's Add Camera and Reset Camera button. To the right, you can switch between high density and low density mode. And below that, you will see the 3D preview of your selected camera view. In the middle of the screen, there's the floor plan layout. Now, I'm going to place a camera near the main door, pointing towards the desk area. You can immediately preview the angle in 3D, make the adjustment to the camera position, set the first frame and hit done. Once you are happy with all your views, just click on Generate and review everything and hit Submit. Your walkthrough will be ready shortly. All your renders and walkthroughs are automatically saved in the gallery, neatly organized and ready to download. Let me also show you a walkthrough I have outsourced through Foyr Services to present to a client. It was delivered on time and turned out beautifully. And that's how I put together this clean, functional office cabin. But what made the biggest difference in my workflow lately is just having a bit of backup when I need it. With Foyr Services, I have been able to outsource things like 3D modeling, rendering, and walkthroughs, so I can take more projects without burning out. If you are handling client work or building a design business, it's honestly been such a time saver. What I love most, how quick and reliable it is. You upload your brief and their expert team handles the rest. No more juggling everything on your own or stressing over tight deadlines. I have dropped the link in description in case you want to check it out. And if you want to try out Foyr Neo, the free trial link is in the description. And don't forget to use my code Kritika50 for an exclusive discount when you're ready to upgrade. And of course, like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss a future video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, happy designing. Bye bye.